How to add local files to Spotify? Spotify has a setting that allows you to access supported audio files saved on your device. First, open the Spotify app, tap your profile picture in the top left corner. Select Settings and Privacy. Now, scroll down and tap Apps and Devices. Look for Local Audio Files. Turn on the Local Audio Files toggle. Once enabled, Spotify will scan your device for supported audio files. Now, go back to your library and look for Local Files. Tap on it, and you'll see the audio files that Spotify has detected. You can tap any song to play it directly through Spotify. If your local files aren't showing up, make sure the audio files are saved on your device and are supported by Spotify. And that's how you can add local files to Spotify. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Spotify tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.